Mike McGroarty here from mikesbackyardnursery.com. Today I want to talk to you about flower bulbs, because everybody goes out and buys some flower bulbs. They stick them in the ground in the fall. They come up in the spring and they're beautiful, but there are differing schools of thought about what to do with those bulbs after they're done blooming. And a lot of people will take them and curl them all up. You know, they might remove the flower shoot itself, and then they'll take the top and kind of roll it up in a ball like this, and then put a rubber band over it, because they know they got to leave the tops, because you want, you need the top to photosynthesize to feed the bulbs so that your bulbs stay healthy and produce more and more flowers every year. But I totally disagree with this theory, and I'll tell you why. The reason that you leave them on there is so they can photosynthesize. Now, if you look at this leaf, I'll tear this leaf off. This leaf is actually the world's first solar panel. The sun shines through here, and in the process, you gonna wash the table? Huh? And in the process, the photosynthesis takes place, and that creates the sugars and all the other nutrients and stuff that the roots or the flower bulb needs. So if you roll that thing up in a ball, it's no longer a solar panel. It's just a wad of leaves. So anyway, so I'm not a big fan of that, and I'll post some. I'm gonna put right below the video, I'm gonna put a link to a page on my blog, and I'm gonna put some more information with a couple of still photos and stuff on there. But anyway, that's my theory, is that you need this leaf to be splayed out like this, so the sun can hit it and photosynthesis can take place. If you roll it up in a ball and put a rubber band on it, that just can't happen. So, and people all over the place, teach that's how you do it, that's how you do it, that's how you do it. You curl them up like this and then put a rubber band on there. You're cutting off a large portion of the bulb's ability to create the food it needs to feed the bulb. So anyway, I don't do that. I leave mine, I kind of walloped that one, but I leave them just like this until we got a puppy. Until the tops start to turn brown and die back like this, and then I know that the tops are pretty much done. And now it's about June 6th here or something here in Ohio, northern Ohio, and these things are just now starting to die back. So it takes some time. But in that several weeks of time, all of that photosynthesis has been taking place, and the tops have been making food and feeding the bulbs. So anyway, that's my theory on flower bulbs and how to really make them as productive as possible. You don't like them? You'd rather lick the table? Anyway, for Finnegan and Fergus, I'm Mike McGroarty from mikesbackyardnursery.com.